Have you ever followed that inner whisper telling you to do something and were so glad you did? Or maybe you had an unexplainable feeling something would happen, but you ignored it or rationalized it away and then regretted not following it. From sudden insights to creative downloads, intuition can shape our lives in profound ways. In this video, we will explore intuition and its transformative power and reveal 3 simple secrets to supercharge your intuition to unlock your inner genius and transform your life. We've also included links to the resources mentioned in this video in the description below. Now let's dive in. What is intuition? Intuition is often misunderstood as just a gut feeling, but it's much more complex. It's the ability to know or understand something immediately, without the need for conscious reasoning. Simply put, while our logical mind analyzes and dissects information, our intuitive mind speaks through feelings and hunches. For example, imagine you're choosing between 2 job offers. Both look great on paper, but something deep inside nudges you toward one over the other, despite the similar benefits. That's your intuition at work. Albert Einstein is a famous example of the power of intuition in scientific discovery. He credited his intuitive grasp of the universe's mysteries as crucial in developing his groundbreaking theories. Einstein's most significant insights often arrived in intuitive flashes, deeply informed by his extensive knowledge of physics. These flashes, transcending conventional reasoning, were instrumental in his formulation of the theory of relativity, revolutionizing our understanding of time and space. From a spiritual standpoint, intuition is seen as a connection to our higher selves and the collective consciousness. Historically, ancient wisdom traditions across the globe have underscored the significance of listening to one's inner voice. For example, in ancient shamanic traditions, shamans, highly respected spiritual guides, were renowned for their strong intuitive gifts, which they used to lead and heal their communities. Similarly, Eastern philosophies like Buddhism and Hinduism hold intuition in high esteem, considering it a crucial pathway to accessing deep, transformative wisdom. These traditions teach the cultivation of intuition to achieve greater spiritual insight and enlightenment. In Christianity, intuition is seen as divine guidance. The Bible highlights examples like Joseph, who used his intuitive ability to interpret dreams that forecasted future events, influencing the destinies of nations. Modern science also validates the power of intuition, with studies demonstrating how our brains process information subconsciously for swift decision-making that can bypass logical reasoning. This is highlighted in Malcolm Gladwell's book, Blink, and further supported by renowned neuroscientist, author, and Professor Antonio Damasio, who advocates for the role of intuition in enhancing cognitive functions and decision-making processes. Intuition acts more like a compass than a GPS navigation system. It doesn't dictate every turn we take, but instead points us in the right direction. It's up to us to recognize, interpret, and follow these subtle cues as we go through life's journey. Now that we've explored what intuition is and how it connects us to deeper layers of understanding, let's clear up some common misconceptions by examining what intuition is not. Intuition often gets wrapped up in myths and misconceptions that obscure its true nature. It is crucial to understand that intuition is a universal concept. It is non-dualistic, transcending religious, gender, and cultural boundaries. Intuition is not something to fear, but a natural part of us that protects, inspires, and guides us. It acts like an internal mentor, helping us to navigate life's challenges. Another thing to remember is that intuition looks different for each person. It's vital to determine whether what you're experiencing is genuine intuition or influenced by fear, ego, emotion, or overthinking. To discern this, observe the quality of your feelings. Intuition typically appears as a clear, calm knowing without emotional charge, unlike fear or ego-driven thoughts, which are often accompanied by anxiety, urgency, or confusion. Recognizing and understanding these differences is essential for trusting your intuitive insights. How do you know if you have intuition? The simple answer is, we all have it. Intuition is a universal trait, not reserved for the select few who identify as intuitives. These individuals may feel they have a stronger connection, either naturally or through dedicated practice. But the truth is, everyone has access to their intuitive abilities. Intuitive information can be received through various pathways, aligning with different aspects of our being: body, heart, mind, and spirit. Intuition can show up in various forms, each associated with different sensory experiences, sometimes referred to as the clairs. In the English language, the prefix clair originates from the French word meaning clear and refers to the distinct and direct perception of information without relying on conscious reasoning or logical processes. Some of the most common clairs include clairvoyance, clear seeing. This is the ability to receive intuitive information visually. This might come as a flash of an image in your mind's eye, a vision, or even a vivid dream. Claircognizance, clear knowing. This form involves a sudden, clear understanding of something without knowing how or why you know it. It's an instantaneous insight or thought that feels inherently correct. Clairsentience, clear feeling. Here, intuition is felt physically or emotionally. You might feel a gut feeling, a sense of comfort or discomfort, or emotional responses that guide you towards or away from something. Clairaudience, clear hearing. This type involves hearing things in a way that is not linked to the physical world. It might be an inner voice, a sound, or music that conveys a specific message or guidance. By tuning into these information pathways, you can start to recognize when and how your intuition speaks to you. This can range from a gut feeling about a person's character to a sudden solution to a problem that pops into your mind unexpectedly. Like any skill, intuition can be strengthened and honed. You can enhance your ability to tap into your intuitive senses through awareness and practice. Anyone can develop their intuition. It just requires a willingness to listen and explore the inner self. Now that we've established that intuition is a skill accessible to all and capable of enhancement, let's look at how it can significantly impact different facets of our lives. We'll explore real-life situations that showcase the transformative power of intuition in everyday life. How intuition can transform your life. In today's fast-paced world, many of us feel disconnected from our intuition, leading to indecision, heightened stress, reduced confidence, and a general sense of being lost or lacking purpose. However, there is hope. Reconnecting with our intuition can help alleviate these modern-day stressors. Intuition plays a vital role in various aspects of life, often subtly influencing our decisions and actions in ways that resonate with our deepest needs and aspirations. Relationships. Intuition can be a guiding force when choosing a life partner. Imagine sensing a deep connection or red flags on a first date beyond what's spoken. Business and career. In career and business, intuition aids problem-solving and innovation. For instance, Steve Jobs, the visionary co-founder of Apple, often trusted his gut feelings over market research, leading to revolutionary products like the iPhone and iPad, which reshaped modern technology and culture. His ability to tap into his intuitive insight changed how we interact with the world. Health and wellness. Intuition is vital in health too. Consider a scenario where someone feels something is off in their body, despite doctors reassuring them everything looks fine. Trusting this intuitive nudge to seek further medical opinions can sometimes lead to discovering underlying health issues, such as an undiagnosed condition. Spirituality. On a spiritual level, intuition can provide guidance on your journey, helping you make decisions that align with your spiritual path. Creativity. Creatively, intuition allows you to tap into new ideas and inspiration, opening doors to innovative expressions that might not surface through rational thought alone. Connecting with your intuition can significantly transform your life by enhancing your decision-making confidence and reducing stress. It allows you to navigate life's challenges more effectively, aligning your actions with your true purpose and fostering deeper personal fulfillment. Now that you understand what intuition is and how it can powerfully impact your life, we're excited to share 3 secrets to help you unlock your inner genius. No matter where you are, these techniques can enhance your intuitive abilities. To make it easy to remember, we've summarized these steps into the acronym SAT. Secret number 1, still your mind. Intuition speaks in whispers. A noisy mind can drown out this gentle guidance. Creating stillness and silence is essential for tuning into your intuitive voice. Develop a meditation practice to quiet your mind and create space to receive intuitive insights. Even a few minutes of meditation daily can increase receptivity to these subtle cues. To aid in this process, consider developing a meditation practice with the help of the Headspace app. Headspace offers a wide range of meditations, including sessions with natural ambient music designed to help you clear your mind and enhance your receptivity to intuitive insights. This practice isn't about emptying your mind, but rather about observing your thoughts without attachment, allowing your intuition to come forth clearly and distinctly. Check out the link in the description to try Headspace for free and start enhancing your intuitive abilities. Secret number 2, awareness. This involves 3 key aspects: noticing, pay attention to patterns and spontaneous physical, mental, and emotional signals. These might come as sudden gut feelings or a sense of knowing that doesn't seem to stem from logical reasoning. Understanding. Reflect on these observations to gain deeper insight into what your intuition is communicating. Ask yourself what these feelings or thoughts might mean and how they relate to your current situations. Trusting. Build trust in these intuitive insights. The more you act on your intuition and see the outcomes, the more you trust this internal guidance system. Secret number 3, take aligned action. Intuition is not just about receiving insights. It's about acting on them. Follow the intuitive breadcrumbs you receive. If you ignore these cues, reflect on these instances to understand what held you back. Debriefing on missed intuitive opportunities can be a powerful learning experience, helping you build trust in your intuition over time. Journaling is a fantastic tool in this process. By keeping a record of your intuitive experiences and the actions you took or didn't take, you create a tangible reference that can help you build your trust muscle and enhance your ability to rely on your intuitive instincts. This journal will become a valuable resource, helping you make more informed and intuitive decisions based on past successes and lessons. By following these 3 simple steps encapsulated in SAT, you can start to amplify your inner guidance. Remember, the journey of enhancing your intuition is ongoing and deeply personal. Embrace each step with curiosity and openness, and watch as your life transforms through the power of intuitive living. Start small, stay consistent, and trust the insights that come. It's not about perfection, but about becoming more attuned to the intuitive guidance that is always available to you. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. We're eager to hear about your experiences with intuition. Drop a comment below to share how intuition has impacted your life or any tips you have for nurturing this incredible ability. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep listening to your inner voice. It's your greatest guide.